So in this video, you'll learn how to answer and end calls using physical buttons on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So for this video, I'll be using the S25 Ultra, but these instructions will apply across the whole series. So the first step when it comes to answering and ending calls with physical buttons is to open the phone app. Once you've launched the phone app, you want to ensure that you're in the keypad section, and then just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. In your call settings menu, look for answering and ending calls and tap on it. Then from here, you should see press volume up to answer calls and press side button to end calls. So in order for you to use your buttons to answer or end calls, just tap on the toggles next to these options and ensure that they're enabled. Once they're enabled, it means that whenever you receive a phone call from a friend, a family member, your boss, or anything similar, you can then use the side buttons to answer and end calls. So to answer the call, you just use volume up. So use volume up like this, and the call will be answered. So from here, you just want to continue with the call, and when you're ready to finish it up, use the side button like this, and just press on it once to end the call. And so that's how you can use your side button, your physical buttons, to answer and end calls on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.